Are you in eval still, or are you is it funded? Awesome. Test eval on FOMC fire. All right. All right. Let's go. Good morning, everybody. How was everybody's weekend? Did anyone do anything fun? Something about me really wants to just take like a lotto 0 DTE put. Like something about me. I just have like the itch. Like genuinely. Can you do that in Kalshi? Can I predict what the... Nah. Market's set to open up in 1 minute. We kind of just like, we're in the middle of like just a fat range. Like, so it's kind of tough. Meta Rocket. There we go. I'm glad someone's doing well for themselves. It ain't me. Well, there you go. We do this 1 hour gap here. If we come down to it. We have this 1 minute gap right here. We'll see if this holds. And maybe we run it higher to the 15 minute at like 454.50, or do we just plummet lower? Because we have low resistance lows kind of, which is what I kind of see. Okay, so as of right now, it looks like ES might be a little weaker than NQ. Technically, those two down close candles on NQ are a order block. wick down into it. Could be bouncing off of that. And a 1 minute bullish cap. You should go lower here. Did not take that short. I was debating taking it off the 1 minute. It would be break even here. It would have been something like this, at least for me. This would have been my trade. It would be break even, and you'd be targeting this low. Probably plays out. I didn't want to take it though because it seemed like too much of a reversal trade for me. But it's about to hit TP right here, and yeah, smacked already. Wild. Damn, bro, I was gonna take that shit. Oh, that would have been fucking 1 minute TP. Previous week low looks good. If we get displacement down, honestly, good call because I don't even have it marked out. Oh, I do. It's also previous day low, so that makes sense. I mean, shit, bro. Like, that was fucking so nice, bro. All the low resistance liquidity. What did I say? What did I say at open? I want to take lotto shorts. Fucking, my puts are up 62% already, all right? I literally just opened one up right at the open. 65%. Tap this 1 hour gap now on NQ. Shorts are free, bro. Yeah, relative equal lows with PDL. Yeah, we also have relative equal lows with London and Asia. Graduated? Huh? You graduated this weekend? I think that's what you meant. I still personally think we're going to draw down to London and Asia at some point today. What do I think of the SMT with previous week low? Did we get one? We didn't get a previous week low. SMT. What do you mean? 5-minute S&T here, that would be epic. December 1st and 8th. Oh, so it was last week's. I mean, yeah, maybe it plays out. We'll see. I mean, I do think market is on its way to start moving higher, right? Back to all-time highs eventually. So bro, I'm freezing. It's cold out by me today, bro. Chill. Don't displace that hard yet. All right. I am in shorts. I entered as that candle was closing. Tapping into this gap right here. This 15. I want to see us go attack for London. I'm break even here. Targeting 230. My stop is at 327. Or I'm going to manually close at least majority of it if ES comes and takes out it takes out London first. We'll see. They'll probably retrace here and stop some people out before. I'll probably end up getting break even, which is fine. And yeah, wow. I'm about to get break even already. That was wicked. What the hell? All right, I'm still in so far, but this candle looks like it's bouncing. I don't know what just happened. Did we get news? Where'd this volatility just come in from, bro? Some sensitivity on this candle. We want to see just reject here. No, come down here. Come down here. I'm about to get break evened. It's about to happen. So close. Come on, just turn lower. Just dump. Straight down. Big displacement lower now. Nope. Break even incoming. If we don't see displacement on this 1 minute candle to the downside, it's probably going to start stalling out here. Let me pull this up for you guys. We want to see this candle start breaking lower if we want to see further push down. See, stalling, which is not what we want to see. We want to see just straight speed lower. But it looks like it's going to bounce here. It's sitting in that hourly gap as well, 50% of that gap. And break even. Okay, that's cool. Okay, now we might get it. We get a 1 minute gap tap here. Maybe this will provide us with the opportunity. Okay, some sensitivity there. Let's see what we get right here. I still really want to see this, head lower from here. Like, I really think that's what the draw is. I am willing to re-enter this trade if we get a good candle closure on this 1 minute. Which it looks like we're getting. Okay, I am back in shorts. Gonna go break even at the internal low again. I want to see this just fall lower now. Stalling here, which is not a good sign. Need to see ES start catching up if it wants to go lower. I don't like how we're stalling here so far. Okay, I want to see us break this low now. Okay, I'm now break even. Those are my rules, guys. Those are my rules. Even though it may not be optimal and I probably get break even again, those are my rules and they're there to protect me. So looks like it's bad to come back and break even me. Unless we flush here. I just want to see, where is midnight? I forgot to mark this out. Right there. I want to see us displace lower here. We're stalling. Not a good sign yet again. Yeah. Just completely stalling here, which is not what we want to see. So we actually didn't take out the low on NQ, but we took it out on MNQ. So that's why I went break even. I'm trading micros. So we did get it there. And this candle closure, I want to see close below this 1 hour gap. Then that would make me think we're going to actually flush lower. 1 second left. Okay, we got the candle closure below. I want to see displacement lower now. I want to see us flush towards midnight. Midnight is 269. Don't want to see us bounce here because I am break even. Right? The reason why I'm willing to take this trade again is because my draw is still valid. I still have the same trade idea. I'm break even, so the trade is risk off. I just want to see us fall lower now. We're retesting that hourly gap. I think we should fall lower to at least midnight now, to 269, where I'm going to take a partial. And then I'm going to leave the rest. Want to see us get down to midnight? Okay, we're approaching midnight. There's midnight. Okay. There's my partial. Holding the rest for London and Asia. It all depends if ES takes it out first. If ES takes it out first, I'm going to trim most of the position there as well. But I partialed there. Let's see. We should continue lower. Unless we bounce off midnight. I got to see where... Okay, we're bouncing off midnight on both initially, which is not what we want to see. We want to see us just displace lower. We want to see this 1 minute candle continue. We want to see this like flip black. We want to see close below midnight. Okay, so we closed below on ES, closed above on NQ. Might bounce up here. 5 minute might be bouncing off midnight. Let's see if we could get some continuation lower. Would be so nice if we could just flush here. I want to see at least ES go take it out, because if ES takes it out, I'm taking off most of the position, or the like over 50%, probably 60% of what I have remaining. Because then that's an SMT. I don't want to see that SMT hold. I want to see us push down here, spike down lower now. I want to see ES go attack these lows. Right? There's no reason why price at this point in time should bounce up, at least on ES. Like, I want to see us go get these lows, not bounce here. Right? Look how close ES is to these lows. They might do some bullshit though. Yeah, it's 5 points away. They're going to do some bullshit, right? They got to stop some people out. People that are in these shorts, right? This 5 minute also doesn't look too pretty, right? We have all these imbalances that we filled. We tapped into this 15 minute as well, which it looks like we're bouncing off of, as well as midnight. So let's see. I'm at break even, right? So we'll see what we get here. It looks like we are bouncing, which is not ideal. So the 5 minute is about to flip bullish right here. It did for a second, but this is the last minute on the 5 minute candle. This will be a telltale sign. It looks like we are bouncing, and it looks like we are going to flip bullish on this. I want to see this just fall. I want to see ES attack to midnight, right? There's no reason why it shouldn't. It's right there. I mean, we're in this tiny 5 minute gap, but if the draw is lower, then we should go get it. And this 5 minute on NQ is flipping bullish, which is not what we want to see. Going to probably end up getting break evened on. Yeah, so this 5 minute is now flipped, which is insane. We don't want to see it close bullish, but it looks like it's about to. And yeah, we got a bullish candle closure, which is not good for us, not at all. And I am break even. Not yet. I'm in by a tick. It edged it. I'm still in. Wow. Okay. We're still in it. Need to see some bearish displacement here. Otherwise, we're cooked. I want to see ES just drop right down to that low. Let's go get it, ES. Go get that low. Come on. Let's go get that low. Don't want to see us stalling here, but we are again. Probably going to get break even. Okay. It's a good 1 minute candle here. It's a good 1 minute candle closure. We like that. We just engulfed that previous candle. Now we should flush it out. ES is heading for those lows. I'm going to book. Like I said, I'm going to take some off as soon as we take that out. Take off. I'm going to leave one runner after that if ES takes out that low. Just one. No need to be in more than that. Come on. Just give us a spike lower now. Come on. Almost there. It's going to do some bullshit. Let's see what my puts are up. 80% on puts. Bro, don't tell me they do that. They're going to edge it and then bring it back up. Come on. We're so close. Okay. We should go. We should get it here. We should get it right now. Come on. Boom. Come on. We're almost there. ES about to book it. Okay, ES booked it. I took off the rest of my position. I have one runner left to London lows at 2:30.25. We should just displace right through now, honestly. We should go get it. If ES takes Asia before we get to London on NQ, I'm just going to close it because it's basically going to be like, it's not worth the hold. It's going to be a couple points away. Okay, we are displacing. We are almost there. Okay, we're displacing. London is in our crosshairs. London is in the crosshairs. Okay. I trailed the stop on my runner to 286. 287, I should say. Okay, let's see. We should, wow. Okay, we should go get it. We should go get it. We're right here. Don't do the dilly-dally. Don't do the dilly-dally. No way it's doing the dilly-dally. It's going to come stop me out of my runner, ain't it? Ain't it? Ain't it? That is so insane, bro. I mean, it makes sense. We had we have SMT at London technically. I still think it gets hit. Okay. I want to see displacement lower. I want to see this candle flip black, go attack it right away with strong speed. ES looks weaker. Obviously, like I said, if it takes out Asia before NQ gets to London, I'm going to close it because it's not worth the hold for me past there. It's just a couple extra points. Don't pop up higher. Bro. Really? That's what I'm saying, bro. My runners. Yeah, I know there's a SMT there. I know. That's why that's why I'm only in one runner left. That's why. Because of that bullshit, bro. I still think we book it, bro. Like I still think we get this low. There's like I don't want to say anything. I don't want to say there's no way because there is way. You guys know the drill. I'm in runners. You know the drill. Come on. Come on. Just flush it. We're so close to that freaking low, bro. Here, I'll put up the 1 minute for you guys here. We're so close to it. Just go get it, bro. Just go get it. ES left equal lows too, bro. I mean, come on. We're so close. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here it comes. Here it comes. Nope. Psych. Nah. We good. So close to that low. We just want to see it flush. Come on. We're so close. Bro, it's fucking doing the bullshit dilly-dally, bro. Bro. Just flush it. They're going to flip this candle bullish. They made another equal low on ES so far. We should get it. We should get it right here, honestly. Should get it right here. Okay, ES made a new low. We have an internal SMT technically there. Equal low on NQ. Should get it here regardless. Holy crap. Here we go. Here it comes. Bang! Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Holy shit. What a fucking trade, bro. What a fucking trade. Let's fucking go, baby. I'm fucking him. I'm him. I'm him. Bro, and I called that out to everybody. I called it out for all of you. All of you. I called it. I said I'm entering. I said, held your hand through it all. We lit. We lit. What a fucking trade. What a fucking trade. I do this shit. Whoever caught that short, let me know in the chat. So I know you guys had to have. I called it out. Who caught those shorts? Who caught those shorts? Nah, I muted my shit. I had to make my TikTok. I had to make the TikTok for the day. I don't want you guys to have to hear that shit. Let's go, baby. Oh, we fucking bang them motherfuckers, bro. That was such a good short. Such a clear and obvious. What are my puts at? Holy shit. Guys, you know I actually bought puts at literally as soon as the market opened. My puts are up 150%. I am up 150% of my puts. Where can I? 160%. And going 196%. We're about to hit 200%. 200%. I'm literally like that. I'm dead ass like that. Like, sheesh. Previous day closing price here. See if we get a bounce. If not, maybe previous day low at 118. Bro. What a fucking day, baby. What do you consider Asia? No, I have the indicator. It marks it up for you. Asia lows are right here. It's 8 p.m. to midnight, I think. That's why I use the indicator, so I don't have to do that shit. Look. I think it says on the indicator. Yeah, 8 p.m. to midnight is Asia. What a day. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get this video posted on my TikTok. We def flush to PDL. I mean, wow, what a day. I really do this shit, bro. I really do this shit. We flushing, bro. My puts are printing. I'm holding it to previous day low. Bro, I knew this shit. I knew it. I fucking knew it. And see, guys, this is something that me expecting this at market open and buying puts at market open is nothing but simply just like market experience and intuition. There is nothing really I could be like teaching you on why I knew and how I knew. The only thing is like large overnight move. On top of that, probably manipulation lower. We're in a fat imbalance. We're just sweeping highs. Market sentiment, I don't really see switching at the moment. Market volume is probably kind of dying out as we go into the new year. Yeah, it just looked like a bunch of low resistance was left behind. Like it's not like didn't really look like it was going to continue higher, honestly. It looked like bullshit move to me. But that I can't really, that's not necessarily something I could just teach. That's just like my intuition and experience. Why'd you hold to the retrace? Because I got bed. Oh, break even. Why? Simply because nothing else other than the fact that I was confident in my draw. My high probability draw. Yeah. I took a short too and I got break even. So don't get discouraged. I took it. So my first short entry was right here. Right? I took it right here. And then I break even at the internal low. Or actually, no. I waited before this candle closed. I entered. It was like here. Once I saw we were flipping and like we were like pushing down, I entered like somewhere around here. Stop right here. And then my target was midnight and then London, Asia. I also don't really trade those huge risk to reward trades anyway. So like I kind of take what the market gives me and I get out. But I got break even on that, right? We take out this low, we bounce. Okay. But then I also realize it's like if I get break even here, it's like, am I wrong? Is my draw incorrect? No. Why? Because we have huge displacement. We're bouncing off this hourly gap, right? We have a strong imbalance right here, right? We're getting bearish displacement constantly, right? We flip this gap, we push lower, displace, we react off it, we create another imbalance, right? So once I see us reject off this and get this candle closure, this is where I enter right here. Simple trade, just like this. Literally first EP, took half off here, and then left the rest for London. And then as ES took London, so it was on this candle right here. So actually, most of my position was taken off right there. And then I'm basically in for free. I just have a runner, and then I held it to London, and that got booked. So did I not care about the displacement? The 1 hour gap? I mean, this is what my logic was. We close below it, right? Once we close below it and it's basically invalidating the gap, right? We flush down, we wick higher, and then we close below it, right? That's why we get candle closures. Candle closures are super important. Super important. They tell the story. Now we might reverse, honestly. I'm not a reversal trader. Got you, bro. Hope that was a good explanation. And we were just trending down, just a downtrend. Bro, what a fucking day. All right, maybe we flip this gap and flush lower to previous day low. Bro, we're so lit. Nah, I'm not. I'm done. I'm done. I mean, that's a valid trade if we invalidate it, like this gap, and display slower, in my opinion, because previous day low is a very high probability draw, and it looks like we are drawing there. But I'm done. I'm done. I fucking ain't no reason for me to take. I mean, I honestly, I really could. It's just like stupid because if it doesn't play out, I'm gonna be like, you're a fucking idiot. Crazy. See what I mean? Like, if we flip that shit instantly, that'd be fire. But like, it's doing the dilly dally. Like, I'll take it on paper. I'm not gonna take it on my real account. This is a paper trade. I'm not actually in this trade. Okay, this would be a break even. The only thing I don't like is we don't have an upper wick, so it's probably going to wick down, honestly. I mean, wick back up, to be honest. I mean, listen, if you took this trade just now, then it's a break even at least. You're probably going to get break even, like I said, because there's no upper wick. Yeah, see? Look at that. I actually know ball. Like, I know ball. Now we might make that push lower. We'll see. But dead ass, I know ball. Now we'll probably run it. I still think PDL is looks like we're stalling here possibly. Deadass so hungry. Can I just want them to book PDL so I can just shut my. I don't have much time. I gotta get on a call anyway. Just tapped a 1 minute gap here on ES. We tapped it on NQ as well. If we want it, I want to see it displace lower here. Attack. All right. On my queue. I am the market maker, by the way. We should go get previous day low. Unless they just do some bullshit and dilly-dally it and fuck people over here trying to short. But aside from that, I mean, it looks like we should just hit previous day low. I'm still in my puts. Let's see what they're up. $285%. They'll probably be up like 350% if we could go book previous day low here. They're 615s. Yeah, I'm in the money now. I got extrinsic and intrinsic value on these bitches. We're up 297%, 300%. Probably could get to 350 if we book previous day low right now. We're heading to it, 315%. Bro, I'm literally like that, bro. I just want to see it flush. Don't do this bullshit, bro. I don't got time for that shit. I want to go get some food, bro. All right, let's see it just collapse here. Okay, let's see if we get straight tank lower. I want to see PDL get booked. We're like 30 points away. It's just, that's literally one candle on NQ. Fucking starving, bro. Bro, don't bounce here. Okay. That 1 minute candle. Okay, we should. That was a 1 minute candle flip. I want to see it go attack to previous day low here. Should. Okay. We should definitely see 350% if we go to PDL right here. Okay. Making a new low. About to make a new low. Okay. 325%. We should definitely see 350 if PDL gets booked right here. We want to see it get attack it with speed here. We want to see ES break it and just see this thing fall. ES has made an equal low so far. It should just fall here. Doing some BS. Patience. Patience. Don't like the stalling, but okay, ES broke the low. 335%. Damn. I'm going to show you guys. For anyone that thinks I'm capping too, that I'm still in this shit. For any of y'all that think I'm still think I'm capping, there you go. Doing the dilly dally, bro. Doing the dilly dally. Okay, we flipped. All right. Conjure up 360%. Up 362. Wow, look at that edge at previous day low. Look at that BS. Holy edge. Holy edge. And you guys want to tell me that the markets don't run on an algorithm and it's buying and selling pressure? You think the whole world just agreed to place orders 1 point away from previous day low? You think that's how it works? Can someone please tell me that they think that's how it works? That was just buying pressure coming in to stop it right there? Like a wall. It was just a wall. It was just straight up buying pressure. Come on, someone tell me. They don't believe in the algorithm. Bro, just book PDL. I want to get off, bro. If it rips higher here, I'm getting off anyway. I was right, though, because if those contracts hit like 362%, so I said they would probably get to 350 at previous day low. But now it's probably not going to be as strong. Rather than if we just flushed it right there, I probably could have seen like 380. I want to see these 1 minutes flip bearish and then attack previous day low. Okay. Let's see it. Let's see it. Want to see speed. 340% on these contracts. 345. Holy stall. Holy edge. It's the edge of doom. This is just disrespectful. Shouldn't be stalling here. We should be going to attack it if we truly wanted it. Okay. Want to see a flush. Don't like this BS. Okay, let's see. Back to 340% on these. We need to see previous day low get booked. Could see like 365%, 370. One more minute left in this 5-minute candle. Could see this thing dump now. 350% here, 360% here. There we go. There we have it. 400%, 415%. I'm out. I'm literally him. I'm literally him. I'm dead ass him. Fuck what everybody tells you, bro, and tells you can't do this shit, bro. I just made 400%. I called the market top at open. I said we're going to flush all the way down, and we're just flushing. And I'm actually still in it. 434%. Still in this shit, bro. Still in this. Let's close it now. 450%. Fuck it. Let's get out, right? Let's get out. Why not? I don't know. Actually, no. We have this gap down here. We're going to hit it. ES can go to previous day low. We're going to hit 500% on these bitches. We're gonna hit 500% on these bitches if it could flush right here. I want to see ES take previous day low, and I want to see. I believe this is this is a daily gap. Okay, we also have a volume imbalance right here. Let's just mark that out because we're about to take it. Okay, if we hit 500%, I'm out of this shit. Okay, we're still in 485%, 488%. 500%. There we go. I'm out. I am out. We tapped the gap. 500%. I am out. I literally called the top, bro. I dead ass called the top of a fucking humongous move. What did I say? When did I say it? I said it literally at open. We dropped 350 points since my call out, bro. Dead ass. 350 fucking points. And for anybody that doesn't think I'm still in, I am, and I'm closing it here for 500%. Okay, selling here. Okay, cool. We hit 520%. 530. Okay, now I'm out. I'm being greedy now. Okay, I'm out. Okay, I think that's all she wrote, guys. I mean, I don't know what else to say. Called it out in real time. You could go watch this YouTube video. I said at the open, I'm buying a put. I have the tingle. And yeah, so I'm out here. Catch you guys tomorrow. Hope you all caught a piece of that short. I called that shit out. I hope you guys all caught a piece. Let you know my trades. See you guys tomorrow.